Today I'm gonna teach you how to change the user's installer code to access the features of the control panel. First, you go to login. Okay, press enter, go to users, and then go press left up arrow for number 2 for the installer. Install your put your default password 123456, and then going to network programming number 6. After that, press enter. Go to access code, press enter. Okay, enter your desired new password, 7 digits or 7 numbers. After that, enter your 7 digits new desired password and press enter. Okay, and then go back. If you see the pop-up save changes, press enter. Okay, and then press left arrow until you go back to the main menu. So this is very easy. And please take note your desired password you will be using every time to open when you open the control panel. So thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye bye.